Hello students, today we have to move for the next continuation part in the lesson acid base salts. So yesterday we learnt about the manufacturing of sodium hydroxide by the process of chloroalkali process, right? So today we have to learn about the another one more product, that is the bleaching powder. Which powder? Bleaching powder. Yes, how the bleaching powder and everything has prepared, let us know that. Okay, bleaching powder, when a chlorine gas is passed through the slaked lime. What is mean by slaked lime? Slaked lime means lime, sunnada tili neeru. Okay, so slaked means kadadida sunna. Okay, so that molecular formula, if a chlorine gas is passed through the slaked lime, slaked line molecular formula is calcium hydroxide. Keep in mind, which is this slaked lime. Lime means sunna. Okay, sunnada tilini. Okay, if a chlorine gas is passed through the slaked lime, so that forms calcium oxychloride. Calcium oxychloride, CaOCl2. So this is called as bleaching powder. Okay, calcium, don't get confusion, the chemical name of bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride. Calcium oxychloride, CaOCl2, nothing but it is the bleaching powder plus H2O is formed. So this is the manufacturing method of bleaching powder. Once again I will repeat you how the bleaching powder is prepared. Only one line answer it is, but equation is very important. Okay, when the chlorine gas is passed through the slaked lime, okay, slaked lime in the sense sunnada tili neeru. So slaked lime reacts with the chlorine gas, that forms the calcium. O is there, that's why it is called as a oxy. Cl2 group is chloride. Ca is the calcium. Get to know the meaning. Okay, how to write the molecular formula of certain compounds. Okay, calcium oxychloride, CaOCl2 plus water will be formed. Okay, so this is calcium oxychloride is nothing but the bleaching powder. Calcium oxychloride is the scientific name, bleaching powder is the general name. So next, what are the uses of bleaching powder? So this bleaching powder, I think you know about that, it is used as a disinfectant, is right? Okay, in many of the places, so this is used as a disinfectant, which is bleaching powder. And also it is used to bleach the cotton and the linen cloth. Bleach means what? Removing a dirt. Okay, cotton and linen cloth. If anything is there, I mean dirt is there in a cotton and linen cloth, so that could be bleached. Bleached means removing. Okay, removed easily by using the bleaching powder. And also it is used to bleach the wood pulp in the paper factory. Wood pulp in the sense, I think you know about that. Wood pulp. What is mean by pulp actually? So I think you know about that. While manufacturing of a paper, the bamboo sticks is the raw material for the manufacturing of paper. That bamboo sticks cut into a small pieces and grinded. Okay, that grinding is called as the pulp. Keep in mind what is mean by pulp. Okay, the bamboo stick is cut into a small pieces and grinded. Okay, when it is happened while manufacturing of paper. Okay, while manufacturing of paper, the bamboo piece cut into a small pieces and grinded, that is called as the pulp. Okay, so if it is grinded, I think you know about that, bamboo is having a color, I mean green color, everything has mixed up. Okay, so to remove that color, to bleach the color in a wooden pulp, the bleaching powder has used. Bleach nothing but removing. Keep in mind. And it is also used as a oxidizing agent in a many industry. Oxidizing agent, I think you know about that, oxidization and reduction, right? Oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent in the sense the compound which is used to gain the oxygen. Oxidation means gaining of oxygen, loss of hydrogen. Reduction means gaining of hydrogen, loss of oxygen. Keep in mind. So oxidizing agent means what? The compound which is used used to gain the oxygen in a reaction, that is called as a oxidizing agent. Okay, so this bleaching powder is used as a oxidizing agent. It is used as a oxidizing agent in which industry? In many industries like paper industries or other industries like that. Okay, and it is also used to make the drinking water free from germs. Free from germs in the sense I told you already, it is acts as a disinfectant. In many swimming pool and everything, the bleaching powder they are using, is it? It is used as a disinfectant. Okay, so this is about the bleaching powder. Keep in mind. Next is about the another one. So that is the baking soda. How the baking soda is prepared? Baking soda, another product, that is the baking soda. Okay, yes, let us know how the baking soda is prepared. When sodium chloride is mixed with ammonia, water and carbon dioxide, which is sodium chloride. Sodium chloride in the sense molecular formula you know already, NaCl, common salt. When it is mixed with the ammonia, NH3, ammonia molecular formula is NH3, and water and carbon dioxide gas is formed. When sodium chloride is mixed with the ammonia, water and carbon dioxide, that forms the ammonium chloride, that is NH4Cl, ammonium chloride plus NaHCO3, NaHCO3. So this NaHCO3 is the which soda? Baking soda. Keep in mind, baking soda, cooking soda, or it is also known as sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate. Okay, this is the scientific name. Sodium bicarbonate is the scientific name of the baking soda. Sodium carbonate is the scientific name of the washing soda. Don't get confusion. Okay, sodium carbonate in the sense Na2CO3. Sodium bicarbonate means NaHCO3. Okay, don't get confusions here. Sodium bicarbonate is the scientific name of the baking soda. Baking soda is the general name or a common name. How that? Or baking soda is also known as a cooking soda, what you are using daily for everything. Okay, for the battering of idli or bonda or bhaji. So everything what you are using, that is called as a baking soda. Okay, or cooking soda. Okay, adige soda, what you are called adige soda anta karitare maneyalalla. Okay, that is called as a sodium bicarbonate. How that sodium bicarbonate has prepared? When a sodium chloride is mixed with the ammonia, NH3 nothing but the ammonia. Keep in mind, NH3 is ammonia, water and carbon dioxide. NaCl is the sodium chloride, common salt. Okay, it is mixed with ammonia, water and carbon dioxide. The baking soda has formed. Okay, and also along with that ammonium chloride is also formed. But the major compound, major product here is formed is baking soda. So what are the uses of baking soda? I think you know about that. Baking soda is used as a antacid. I told you already. Is it? So antacid in the sense, in the first lesson only I told you. Okay, antacid is a substances which is used to the time of acidity, to reduce the acidity. The baking soda is used as a antacid. Antacid work to reduce the acidity. Okay, that's why it is called as a anti means against to the acidity it work. So that's why it is called as a antacid. In that name only everything is there. Anti means against or opposite. Okay, anti means not anti uncle auntie not. Okay, antacid against here. Okay, antacid against to acidity it will work. That's why it is called as a antacid. Clear? So I mean baking soda is work to reduce the acidity. So that's why baking soda is used as a antacid. And also baking soda is used to manufacture the baking powder. Keep in mind, baking soda is used to manufacture the baking powder. I think you know about that. This baking powder and everything is used in a bakeries. Okay, so how that baking powder is prepared, that is very important. If the baking soda in the sense NaHCO3 NaHCO3. If it is, okay, NaHCO3 baking soda is mixed with the tartaric acid. I think you have to get to know that where it is tartaric acid. Tartaric acid is in tamarind, right? Okay, tamarind powder. Tartaric acid, okay. Tamarind is having a tartaric acid. Vinegar is having a citric acid. Orange is also having a citric acid. Citrus fruit also having a citric acid. But tomato is having a oxalic acid. Keep remember that first lesson it is, okay. Tartaric acid, where it is present? It is present in a tamarind. Tamarind in the sense huಣಸೆ ಹಣ್ಣು, okay. So in that tartaric acid is there. That powder has used actually. So then the baking powder is manufactured when the sodium bicarbonate, I mean baking soda, is mixed with the tartaric acid. The baking powder is formed, okay. How does the baking powder is prepared? When the baking soda is mixed with the tartaric acid, baking powder is formed, okay. That only baking powder generally in a bakery they are using for the preparation of cake, buns or breads, like that, right? Why? I think when eating the cake, bun or bread and everything, it is like a very soft and spongy, right? Is it for that reason, okay, the adding of baking powder only. If the baking powder is not added, those bakery products like cakes or buns or breads, they are not become a soft and spongy. That is very important, okay. Which makes the bakery powder to become a soft, spongy and everything. That is nothing but the baking powder. Okay, keep in mind how the baking powder is prepared. Baking powder is prepared by adding a tartaric acid to the baking soda. Baking powder is prepared. What is the uses of baking powder? Baking powder makes the bakery items into soft and spongy. That is very important, okay. Bakery products in the sense nothing but only the bread, cake and buns, okay. And next, the other uses of the baking soda. One is baking soda is used as an antacid and it is used to prepare the baking powder. And also that baking soda is used in the soda acid fire extinguisher. Soda acid fire extinguisher. I think you know about that. Fire extinguisher means ಬೆಂಕಿಯನ್ನು ಆರಿಸುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು device, okay. So extinguisher means the device which is used to burn off the fire. Extinguisher means ನಂದಿಸೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, okay. I mean burn off, ಆರಿಸೋದು, light of the fire, okay. So there the baking soda is mixed with the carbon dioxide. If baking soda is mixed with the carbon dioxide, that helps to actually light off the or burn off the fire immediately, okay. That's why so baking soda is used in the soda acid fire extinguisher. They keep that thing in mind. So these are the uses of baking soda. Let us recall again. Baking soda is manufactured when the sodium chloride is mixed with ammonia, water and carbon dioxide. That forms the baking soda. Other byproduct is ammonium chloride, okay. But the major byproduct in this is baking soda. What are the uses of baking soda? Baking soda is used as an antacid. Baking soda is used to make the baking powder. Baking soda is used in the soda acid fire extinguisher, okay. How the baking powder is manufactured? When the sodium baking soda is mixed with the tartaric acid, baking powder has manufactured and that makes the cake the soft and spongy. That is very important, okay. The next we have to know about the next period. We have to know about the washing soda and one more is their POP. So till that you have to keep watching and keep learning. Thank you all.